Cheers. Happy summer. Clean up outside but I still have my Christmas stuff. They're still alive. See that? But I cleaned the windows and the doors and wash out everything. And the first day I washed my car, so it's very warm. It's 10 degrees, so I can sit outside again. I wash the chairs and okay, COVID, I'm ready for you. I'm absolutely ready for you. Water. Tastes like gin, Tanqueray, Jaipur, with a hint of black pepper and lime juice with dry vermouth. Oh, look at that sun on me. Oh, the sun is so good. You know, plants love the sun. The buds come out, they grow, they get big. Same thing with me. My belly loves the sun. It gets bigger and bigger. Anyways, I gotta get back in. I'm making some pasta aioli, spaghetti, lots of olive oil, and lots of garlic, and lots of chili pepper. Slowly let the garlic and chili pepper cook in the olive oil, and then you add some of that salted water that you boil the pasta in, a little bit, and then you pick up the pan and you do it like that. You swirl it around, and the water will emulsify, will mix up with the oil and not be separated. So not a lot of water, just a little bit. And then when the pasta finished boiling, you put it in the karai and toss it around, and it goes good with spring water. See? And then you take a sapi, and then you gotta do it like that. Don't put too much high heat, as you can see. Oh, that's too high. Put it on very low. I put the pasta water already in there. Do it like that. Okay. If I put too much spaghetti in, it'll work. Shake it, baby, shake it and settle down. And you check this out. This is the chili pepper I use. It's I think it's Thai chili pepper, but Italian call it peppercino. See, it's turning a bit cloudy. See that? That means the water is the pasta water is mixing with the olive oil. It's like half a cup olive oil. A nice chili flakes and garlic. What I'm saying? Good things come to those who wait. So there, with the sauce, you gotta be very patient. Start at the same time you put this in, so what, 8 to 10 minutes? It's swirl it around, move around. You don't put anything else, no salt, no black pepper, because the salted water from boiling the pasta will give it the salt that it needs. So let's do the little swirly whirly thing. And you make it al dente so that you know, the water that you have in here will continue cooking the pasta until it's done. So it'll be very liquidy, and so we can slurp it. You know, if it's not liquidy, then there's not enough olive oil and pasta water in here. Okay, see, this is 10-12 minutes. This is cooking, and it's buongiorno. It's extracting the flavors from the garlic and the peppers. All right, it's got a little bite to it now. Turn off the stove. And just slide it over to the pot. Look at that. And then lift it up. Look at that. Put it in. Very liquidy. Oh man, letting that flavor get into this pasta here. Baby. Let me finish fishing all this out into the, and I'll get back to you with the mouth-watering, succulent pasta aioli. So what you do when you put the pot in the sink, you don't throw out all the pasta water. You might just need some. And this is the perfect thing to kick up the spaghetti. It's mixing good. It's kind of a little dry, so I'm just going to add a little bit of pasta water because you want it to be succulent. Look down there, you see? There's some water there. That's what you want to see. A little bit of that in the bottom. That's all the flavor. You want it to, the pasta to just soak it all up. I should have put more pepper. You know, if you're West Indian, especially if you're Trini, you need a lot of pepper so you can go on the banister and dribble. We Guyanese, when the pepper hit, all we do is we say, "Ow me mama, ow me mama." Just mix it in good. See? All done. About 15 minutes. Turn the stove off. Let this baby sit. Then I'll plate it. So I took plenty. With Shivaratri right around the corner, and you don't want to eat meat. Nice kick from the pepper. Not too hot. And you can taste the emulsion, the olive oil with the salted water. It's really good. The only thing is, for Shivaratri, don't drink. Okay. This is my last one. The reason we don't drink is it affects the brain, as you know. You don't want to get drunk and go do puja and cuss up the pandit and people and things. So it's not a special heavenly or whatever thing. It's just that, you know, booze affects your brain and different people differently. So some guys, when they get drunk, they go home and they fight with their wife and beat up their wife and thing. So If the guy get drunk and he's sitting down to do puja with his wife, he might want to box her. And then the Pandit will have to reach his hand over and box the ass too, you know. Anyways, bye-bye.